What makes a song timeless? Is it lyrics, vocals, or just raw emotion? Or maybe just an amazing band with an amazing vocalist? I actually haven't heard him sing this song, I've only heard Arnel. So let's give it a listen for the very first time. Kind of.
Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round.
So interesting, actually.
Restless hearts sleep alone tonight, sending all my love along the wire. They say that the road ain't no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's been you and me. And love and the music, man, ain't always what it's supposed to be. Oh, girl, you stand by me.
I always think of Steve Perry as the most technically proficient and efficient vocals, and I mean that in the pure anatomical sense. But here, he isn't. And that is not a bad thing. It makes it sound freaking cool. I'm hearing a lot of breath coming through the sound. Midnight sun, ha, ha. There's a little bit extra breath, even really high up in his range, which is so difficult. And one of the reasons he can get away with this is he just has a very naturally high set voice. He is a countertenor, and this means two things. One, his vocal cords are probably a little bit smaller than the average person's, or they're a little bit more stretchy, so they can stretch thinner and get higher. I often talk about vocal fold size, but it's also how flexible you are as well. Now, this song was written in a fascinating way. We'll talk about that in a moment.
On the wire, they say that the road ain't no place to start a family.
When you hear that breathiness, it makes it sound like...
Right down the line, it's been you and me.
Oh, it's truthful as well.
Love and the music, man, ain't always what
Love that vowel change.
Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully.
I've only heard a live version of this, I think.
Circus life under the big top world.
He's so good at vowel modifications, and vowel modifications is this funny kind of singing language that we all do when you get up to those high notes. The amazing thing is, you'll be listening to singers and your brain will go, I know what those words are, but when you really listen, you'll go, wait a minute, they are not saying the word how the word is. Circus life is how he's actually singing it instead of circus. But big open vowels will help him get up to those soaring high notes.
Under the big top world, we all need the clowns to make us smile. Through space and time, always another show, wondering where I am, lost without you. And being apart ain't easy on this
Much more efficient now. His vocal cords are together.
Two strangers learn to fall in love again. I'll give the joy of rediscovering you. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours,
he's so good. Okay, how was this song written? It's kind of cool. Keyboardist Jonathan Cain wrote it, and he wrote the first line of the song on a napkin. He went to sleep, he had a dream, he dreamed about the song, and in the morning he wrote it in half an hour. And the whole band were really jealous because they were like, I wish that would happen to me. And he wrote an absolute banger. This shows the power of sleep. Sleep is so important for learning. It's so important for creativity. There's a fantastic book about it called Why We Sleep. I'd really recommend it. I want to talk about why I'm so obsessed with his breathy vocals and efficiency, because this is so important as to how he gets to his high notes. Let's listen. Oh, I forgot this. And that bit of grit. High to be saying that so full, and he is just a little bit of an unusual anatomy in that he can keep his vocal cords very thick, very high, so he can get that big tone. But what is also astounding is that little bit of breath coming through, and the reason for that is that when you've got breath coming through, your vocal cords do not close fully. You've got this little gap in between them. Support is less about pushing and more about managing that breath, and he does that. Whew, right up to those high notes. Now that high note there, what is that? Okay, I can sing that because I have a high female voice. This is C sharp. He's definitely in a bit of a mix here. It's not full chest voice, but it's still so high. Not many people can do that. You have to be a true tenor to really find the ease in that. And the warmth as well. What a dude. And then the grit. The grit's important. I'll talk about that in a moment. I just want to hear a bit more. The reason I think he's getting some of that grit up there is because his vocal cords aren't coming together fully. Often when the vocal cords are not fully together up that high, you're just not going to get up to that note. This is what I imagine's happening because they're a little bit open. The edge of the vocal cord can then vibrate in a little bit of an asymmetrical way, and that creates that gritty sound. It is probably completely natural. He's probably not thought about it, but it is actually very, very difficult. Like a spider. It's jaws wobbling from the resonance. Just one of the most beautiful songs with the most raw and technically proficient vocals ever. Bar.